we are going to start over your PMI, right? In PMI, suppose we have told our question is like that कि A plus AR plus AR square. This is the formation of GP. GP का ये formation है. ठीक है. जैसे बीच में आपसे मैं after pause the recording, we can ask the question. Give me proper answer. ठीक है. Anybody, किसी भी student से मैं talk कर सकता हूँ. So be prepared and be attentive in my class, right? Our series is what? A plus AR square plus AR cube. That's A into R raised to power n minus 1 is equal to, they ask, is equal to A R raised to power n minus 1 whole divided by R minus 1. Yes, this is our concern. This is our question. So first of all, this one is equal to Pn as earlier told. Okay. First step, you have to assume this one is your Pn. It's true for n is equal to 1. So it's true for n is equal to 1. And की जगह 1 put कर रहे हैं. One first term, that is your A. This is your A. Now going to this one, RHS section, RHS right hand section, put the value of n equal to 1 here. A into R is to power 1 or R minus 1. Going to cancel out, this is equal to A. So LHS equal to RHS, right? So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to prove that it's also true for n equal to K. This is value also n equal to K. So n equal to K. A plus AR square, A into R h to power K minus 1 is equal to A R h to power n की जगह K divided by R minus 1. Okay? This is your n equal to K. Now we are going to prove. Now we are going to prove or going to verify R is equal to n plus 1. Here is what? N plus 1. Then we're replacing n by K plus 1. In this question, AR square, A into R raised to power. In place of n, you can put K plus 1. So K plus 1 minus 1. So A into R raised to power K. Before this one, you can put down value of A into R raised to power K minus 1, this one. As earlier I told you, right? So this value is equal to this one. This value is equal to this one. This value equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one. So we put down the value of this one here. So in place of this one, we can write A into R raised to power K minus 1 whole divided by R minus 1 plus A into R raised to power K. Like this one. Take the LCM. Or you can say that AR into R minus 1 like this one, right? And upon, we can write R minus 1 like this one. Now we are going to take the LCM. Our answer is our concern will be answer, that is what? Put down n is equal to K plus 1. इस n की जगह K plus 1 put करेंगे. A R की power K plus 1 minus 1 upon R minus 1. So A into R की power K minus A multiply this one plus this one into this one, this one to this one. Take a common and you will get the solution like that. A into R की power K plus 1 minus 1 whole divided by R minus 1. So we can say that it's true for n is equal to 1, n is equal to K, or n is equal to K plus 1. So this expression or this inequality is true for n equal to 1, K and K plus 1, right? This is already discussed in our 1 or 2 classes, right? And now we are going to move some more and more solved example. That's why your concept will be going to very easy. This आपके concept थोड़े आसान हो जाए, right? And some expression question, expression मतलब some P upon Q format question. So P upon format question, now we are going to do, I'm going to solve some fractional problem. Fractional problem, that is just, for example, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, dash, 1 upon 2 raised to power n is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to power n. Whole expression should equal to Pn. This is your first step. Okay, this is your first step. Second step, it's true for n equal to 1. Let it's true for n is equal to 1. So put down the value of 1 in place of n. First term is what? That is your 1 by 2. This is your first step. And now, going for an RHS section. In RHS section, right hand side portion, we are going to put down the value of n equal to 1. 1 minus 2 raised to power 1. 2 to power 1, that is 2. 1 minus half. So 1 minus half, your answer is half. So LHS equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. This is proof for n equal to 1. Now we are processing like n is equal to k. So language is what? So let it will be true for n equal to k. This is the proper language. So in place of n, we are going to putting n equal to k. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 as 1 upon 2 raised to power k. That is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power k. Right? Now this one value, 1 upon 2 raised to power k minus 1, starting this one series. Already we have done in last 3, 4 and 5 questions. This one compared to what? It's okay. This is for k, not for k plus 1. This is for k. Now we are going to prove or verify n is equal to k plus 1. Now we are going to verify that n is equal to k plus 1. In this step, you are writing. You are right like 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 upon 2 of k minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus k and k plus 1 and so on. And in place of this one, you can write this one, this value. 1 minus 1 upon 2 k power k plus. In case of this, you can write 2 k power k plus 1. You can write 2 k power k into 2 k power 1. Now in this one, in this manner, you can take 1 upon 2 raised to power k as a common factor. This one and this one. Take as a 1 upon 2 raised to power k as a common factor. So this value is what? 1 minus half. So this will become 1 minus half 2 raised to power k. 1 minus half, half. The whole thing is that 1 upon 2 raised to power k plus 1. Same base, power will be added. So if the bases are same, power will be added. So you can say 1 minus 2 raised to power k plus 1 is the final approachable answer. And last we have to compare to this one. So we can write this is true for n is equal to 1, n is equal to k, and n is equal to k plus 1. Right? So in this manner, you can say that all equation, expression, thoughts, we can prove by given expression. We can prove by given expression like n equal to 1, n equal to k, or n equal to k plus 1. Okay. In this manner, we can also assume a inequality problem with algebraic concern, right? Inequality problem को algebraic concern से भी हम prove कर सकते हैं. ऐसे भी कुछ different mode में questions आएंगे. Now we are going to solve this such type of question. These are some equation based question, inequality based question, thought based question. ये ऐसे question थे. Now we are going to solve like expression or inequality based question with algebra. For example, बोला yes, prove by induction the inequality. Prove by induction the inequality 1 plus x 1 plus x whole raised to power n 1 plus x whole raised to power n greater than equal to 1 plus nx. Okay, 1 plus x whole raised to power n greater than equal to 1 plus nx, where n is positive number. When n is positive number. Positive number, that is 1, 2, 3, and so on. They already given. Now in this such type of question, we can start. First of this value is equal to Pn. Assume that this value is equal to Pn. It's true for n is equal to 1. It's true for n equal to 1. So P1, n equal to 1, that is what? 1 plus x. This is your LHS. And RHS going from this one sign, again this one plus x. So according to this one sign, you can read greater than or equal to. इसको read करते हैं greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to, right? We put down x equal to 1. So 1 plus x greater than equal to 1 plus x. So this is equal to this one. If we take equality sign, right? This is your first step. 1 plus x raised to power n is equal to 1 plus x. Put down n equal to 1. And now we are going to assume that it's also true for n equal to k. So we put down the value of k in place of n. n की जगह k put करते हैं, right? So 1 plus x raised to power k. That is k. Greater than equal to 1 plus kx. In place of n, we are going to put n equal to k. So this is 1 plus kx. This is the for first value. And now we are going to solve, or we are going to verify this is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. If we are going to put n equal to k plus 1, n की जगह put कर रहे हैं हम लोग k plus 1, right? तो n की जगह put कर रहे हैं k plus 1 plus x raised to power k plus 1. Now we can compare this one value going for 1 plus x into k, 1 plus x raised to power 1. Power को break कर, right? 1 plus x raised to power k and this one. And 1 plus x raised to power k like this one. This value we can assume with this sign. So greater than equal to 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. Going for the cross multiplication, 1 की value 1 into this 1 plus x, kx into 1 plus kx into 1, that is your kx square. Right? From this manner, one, this one. यहाँ आगे लिखो 1 plus, taken x as a common, k plus 1 plus kx square. So 1 plus k plus 1 into x plus kx square. So we can say that from this one, in place of n, we put down the value of k. So result would be what? 1 plus k plus 1 into x. 1 plus k plus 1 into x. And this value what? This value is always positive because x square sign is always positive. So we can write here 1 plus k plus 1 into x. So that's why we are going to say that this one is true. Why we are lefting this one? Because here you have to write, give an expression like that, x square always greater than equal to 0. ये आपको यहाँ पे reasoning देनी पड़ेगी. Why you are left this expression? Because this value is always greater than 0. That's why we can write this expression into this one, 1 plus k plus 1 into x. Clear? So this expression is true for n equal to 1, n equal to k, and n equal to k plus 1. This is another inequality based question. Clear? Hope so this point is clear. Now we are going to take next another solved question. That's why to improve your skills in inequality portion. I'm going to skills in the sense inequality greater than, less than, greater, equal, or less than. You should improve on this one skill, right? Yeah, so we are going to express another question in inequality for. They are saying that show that by PMI, show that by PMI 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, n square greater than n cube upon 3. N cube upon 3 for all n natural number, right? We are saying this all number belongs to natural number. First of all, you should write that expression is equal to P. This is our first step. We're going to express that this one is equal to P. Now we are going to assume that yes, it's true for n equal to 1. Why 1? Because the first natural number is 1. So we take it's also true for n equal to 1. So take n equal to 1. So this is your first number. 1 square, that is what? 1. Here is your RHS. In RHS, if we put down the value of 1, we get result 1 by 3. From given expression sign, this is mathematical operator greater than sign. So you can say that 1 is greater than 1 by 3. 1 is greater than 1 by 3. So this is true. In a specific question like exponent greater than, less than, greater equal less than, you also assign the value true or false. If false, then question is wrong. We are not going to proceed next section. This is true. So that's why we are proceeding n equal to 1 or n equal to k, right? So it's also true for n is equal to k. Put down the value of n equal to k. मैंने क्या किया n की जगह k को put कर लिया. तो put किया तो ये आया 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, k square greater than kq upon 3. Now we are going to prove that this is also true for n is equal to k plus 1. n is equal to k plus 1. n की जगह k plus 1 put कर रहे हैं. In front of this one, we are writing 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. In case of n, you are writing k plus 1 square. K plus 1 square. Before k plus 1, your result is k, like this one. So this value is equal to this one. We put down to this one value with sign. So greater than k cube by 3 plus k plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now simplify this one expression using a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, multiply with 3. This is LCM also taking, right? This is what? This is k cube. So our overall phenomena is what? K cube plus 3k square plus 3 to the 6k plus 3 divided by 3. So in overall, we can write this is what? This is our k plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. If we use a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. So b cube is in front of this one. 1 cube is what? 1 cube, that is 1. We can write 6k 3 plus 1, right? इसको break कर लेंगे 3 को 1 plus 2 करके. So we can write k cube plus 1. That is what? K plus 1 का whole cube. M plus 1 का whole cube. In case of you are putting the value of m, then you can say m plus 1 का whole cube. In this one place, you can write some adjust the value. 3 in place of 3, you can write 2 plus 1. So a cube, 1 cube, that is b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Using this one formula in front of this one value. इस वैल्यू की जगह अगर मैं k plus 1 पुट कर देता हूँ in this value, so your result will be what? K plus 1 का whole cube divided by 3. So this is what? This is the entire picture of when you are using inequality sign, that is greater than sign or less than sign question, right? Now I'm going to discuss with now your